Hi guys, so before I jump into today's video, I just want to announce my membership to you all. Feel free to join me and also check it down below so you'll be seeing all the budgets that I will be offering you guys. And I want to say thank you guys so much for your support. May God continue to bless you, and let's dive into today's video. So I noticed I've not really shared with you guys what I eat in a day to lose weight in keto diet, so I decided to come with this video. And if you are looking forward to lose weight, you can also try out one of this recipe. So for my breakfast, I'm going to be making some keto pancake. First, I need my egg, my sweetener, which is sugar, flour, baking powder, vanilla flavor, and my milk. I'm going to be using my flour, and I'm taking just a cup of that. You can use hammered flour if you like. That is even more compliant for you. I'm adding my baking powder, adding a bit of salt and a bit of sugar. I don't really like sugar, and that is why I'm adding a little bit. And remember, we are trying to lose weight here. So I cracked the egg inside, added a bit of my vanilla flavor and a bit of butter, and I mixed everything together and make sure it's really smooth. Ketosis is just taking in fat and taking out carbs and sugar from your diet. I added a little bit of butter into my pan and just start to make my pancake. A lot of fruit are not always allowed on keto diet because a lot of fruit do contain sugar, but berries are very compliant with keto. You don't have to add too much, just a little bit of berries. You can use any type of berries, strawberry, just anyone you know is perfect for you. As you can see, my pancake comes out very nice, delicious and fluffy. And now it's time for lunch, and for my lunch I'm going to be preparing my chicken. I just put my chicken in a bowl and I'm going to go ahead and season it with some pepper. I added a bit of thyme, some basil leaf and salt. You can season this however you want, however that pleases your taste. I like to season my chicken a lot so it gets in there. I also added some ginger and garlic as well. I ran out of the powder one, so I decided to blend. This is something I cannot do, seasoning my chicken without garlic and ginger. You can do yours however you want. If you don't like ginger, don't use ginger. If you don't like garlic, don't use garlic. If you don't like pepper, don't use pepper. You know, just do you, but make sure you don't use Maggi. That is why it's called keto diet. So I'm just mixing that up, making sure everything gets into the chicken. And I also added a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to let that sit on the fridge for about 15 minutes just to marinate well. And I'm going to get my pan and oil it up. I'm going to pop in my chicken and I'm going to put it into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. And in the sound of your heart, we tend to fall together, fall in love, and still in the end we'll fall apart. So it's hopeless that we stay close, but it's the life that we chose. I'm going to be serving this with some rice, and I'm going to add my chicken and some veggies at the side. You want to make sure you take your veggies because your skin needs this. And I'm going to add some of the sauce from the chicken, and this tastes so good, like so good. And now our food is ready. Now for my dinner, I'm going to be needing some veggies, and for these veggies I'm using onion, chopped onion, sliced onion, ginger, garlic. I always love those two things in my food: red bell pepper, green and yellow bell pepper. Like, everything has to be fresh. And I'm also using some sliced chicken. Just go ahead and heat up my pan, and I start by adding my onions, garlic and ginger. I put some salt, pepper, thyme, and I mixed everything up together, just like stir fry. I also added my bell pepper, and I continue to stir fry until it's good enough for me. This takes about 5 minutes, and I put in my chicken. You can use sausage for this, you can use beef, you can use chicken, just anything that suits you. I like to change at times, you know. So I'm going to be needing some garbages. I put some of the veggies into the garbage, and I'm going to be making some shawarma. I'm also adding some mayo, and I proceed to wrap it with some toothpaste. This is so nice. Like, this is just like my mini shawarma, or let me say my mini kebab. Like, I love it a lot, and it tastes so good. Like, you guys should give this a try, and you are going to love it. You can use any garbage of your choice, but I decided to use this particular one because this is the one that I have in my fridge right now. You can use any garbage of your choice, it doesn't really matter. So for my snacking, I'm going to go ahead and use some sardine, the Titus brown. I'm going to add butter and also some mayonnaise, and you can also add pepper if you like. So I just go ahead and mix everything together, and then I take my cucumber and just kind of slice it up and add the mixed sardine to the top. This is just like a biscuit and butter when you're eating it, and I kind of love it.
Blinded, cause when it's good it's great, so we can't see we're fading away.
And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one.
It takes time to get it right, sleepless days and nights, we just need a